Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your left and right earbuds are different. Firstly, we need to check if you have the latest software version, so open Huawei AI Life application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, then you will see them in the device list and tap at your earbuds here. Now scroll down and at left bottom we have update. Tap at this button, you check for updates. It said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, at the bottom you will see button download and install. Tap at this button and you will update your software version. Next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from your phone, and then you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone. Then you can open the application and check is it fixed. If it didn't help you, you need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. At the right side we have connectional button and you need to press and hold at this button until the LED light on the front side starts blinking red. So it's something like 10 seconds. Firstly it starts blinking white, it's okay, just enter to prank mode, keep holding this button. And now we have the red LED light. So you can release your fingers. And we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device button at the top, if you have this button, because not all Android phones have it. And if you have iOS, you can turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list and you need to tap on them. And we did it. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, I recommend to put your earbuds to the charging case and then connect the case to the power. And you need to fully charge them. After that, check if the battery level are the same. Amazing. If it doesn't, maybe you need to contact customer service. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!